Hi guys, Jeff. Going to be doing a little bit of a review on my armament r36 gas blowback. I've been to a few games with it, taken it a few places, had a few encounters with it, got shot because of it, and got kills because of it. We'll see where we go from here. So, the gun itself, from what I've looked at now, is £159 from BB Guns for Less, and that's at a low price reduction from 240 quid. Now I must have got this on a special deal or a special day, because I only paid 110 quid. Probably the best 110 quid I've ever spent on a gas blowback rifle. This isn't my first, and it's definitely not going to be my last. But that's another conversation to have altogether. The gun performs well. Out of the box, it says on the website, FPS is about 350. Now, I've got a chrono, and I've chronoed on 0.2s and 0.25s like they do, and I see 400 to 450 out of this. Very unstable. So, I looked into it, went on to Mil-Spec Solutions. I looked on their website and found a low flow system, which means that you have to take the bolt out, you have to disassemble the bolt to get to the loading nozzle, and then you insert these discs into the loading nozzle, which takes it down from 5, 10 and 15% gas use, gas going through the hole. Not sure how, but technical term for that, not sure of it. Either way, once it has a low flow system in it, you're able to tame the monster down to sight legal. Now, I've got a medium disc in this, which allows me to play with 330 to 350, depending on the gas type that goes into it. I've had many a game session with it, and it works flawlessly. I come home from every game, I'll drop the stock off, fold it, take receiver off, give her a good oil, throw her back in, put her pins in, jack her back, and she's all good to go again. One of the best investments I have made so far. As you can see, I do like to be a bit of a tactical person. Brought myself a bit of tactical coolness for it. It's got to be done. But I love it sometimes. I will insert some gameplay of me using this gun. And also, for you lovely people that love watching people mag dump, I have a bit of that in this video too for you. So, I hope you enjoyed the little lowdown of my little baby, as I call her. She used to be blue. I'm sure you can see scratches of war coming through on her. And the paint job itself, the olive, was done by my personal friend Brian YTC. You can go to his channel. You'll find many videos that I've been involved with him in, and we've had a right laugh. But at the minute, he's painting a lot of stuff, which the quality of his work, as you can see, is pretty flawless. Go to his channel, it's a highly recommended watch. So that's all from me, folks. Peace out.